Hey guys, in this quick guide, I'll show you how to connect a PS4 controller to your Xbox Series S. So step 1, you need to get a compatible adapter. To make this work, you'll need a third-party adapter that allows non-Xbox controllers to connect. Here are the three popular options you can use. So first is the Titan 2. This one supports Bluetooth, but only if you install the optional Bluetooth module. By default, it connects via USB. You can even add macros or script. Next is Cronus Zen. It also supports Bluetooth but with some limitation. It usually connects through USB, but if you want to use it wirelessly, you'll need a Bluetooth dongle and a second wired controller, like an Xbox controller, to authenticate it. But just keep in mind, wireless mode might cause a bit of input lag. And lastly, the broke adapters like the Wingman XB. These are super easy to set up and allow wireless pairing too, as long as you get a model that supports Xbox Series S. So before buying, make sure it's compatible with your console. So, quick note guys, even if some of these adapters support wireless mode, it's always better to use a wired connection for better stability and lower input lag, especially for serious gaming. So, I advise that connect your PS4 controller to the adapter. Use a USB cable to connect the controller. This gives you the most reliable performance. So once the adapter detects your controller, it should start working right away, just like an official Xbox controller. And that's it. You're all set to play on your Xbox Series S using your PS4 controller.